I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to be better at geometry. Start by mastering fundamental definitions like points, lines, and planes. Understand core theorems such as the Pythagorean theorem, which states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Practice identifying various angles, including acute, obtuse, and right angles, and different shapes like triangles and quadrilaterals. This foundational knowledge is absolutely crucial for tackling more complex problems effectively. Visualization is key in geometry. Always draw clear, labeled diagrams for every problem. This helps you see relationships. For complex shapes, try breaking them down into simpler components, like dividing a hexagon into 6 equilateral triangles. Before you even start calculating, take a moment to identify all the known values and what you need to find. This strategic approach will guide you toward the correct solution more efficiently. Consistent practice is essential for improvement. Make sure to solve a wide variety of problems from different textbooks and online resources regularly. Don't shy away from working through proofs. They deepen your understanding of why theorems work. Try applying geometric principles to real-world scenarios, like calculating the area of a room or the volume of a container. This practical application makes learning more engaging and reinforces concepts. To further enhance your skills, explore coordinate geometry, which beautifully connects algebraic equations with geometric shapes. For example, you can find the distance between 2 points using the distance formula, which is derived from the Pythagorean theorem. Utilize a variety of online resources, such as educational videos and different textbooks for additional support. Finally, collaborate with peers to discuss challenging problems and share different approaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.